We're here with the Getac F110, and as you can tell by this tablet's appearance, it is a rugged slate built for a harsh workplace, fieldwork, construction, anywhere where you might drop it. It could, a normal tablet would get severely damaged. It's got this thick black exterior to protect it from bumps, and most of its ports are coverable, so in case of any spills or dust, anything like that, it is safe. It adheres to military standard 810, built for extreme temperatures and, of course, drops. So we're going to put that to the test right now. It can handle a drop from about 5 feet, so that's exactly what we're going to do, and let's see how it holds up. Sounded painful. Now, that was just the stylus that fell off of it, and let's open some apps. Everything's responsive, still responding to my touch. Still surfing the web, no problem. So for drop-wise, it's pretty rugged. It can handle, standard drop from, as we just did, 5 feet. Now, you can't submerge this tablet in water. It is IP65 certified, so it can handle spills. So we're going to see how the F110 holds up if we splash a little water on it. And, all right. Now what might be happening right now is the screen is responding to water as an input. So let's see what happens when we clear that off. And yeah, once again, everything is responsive. Let's pull up the on-screen keyboard, see if that works. And yeah, so after a 5-foot drop and after a big splash of water, the F110 is still kicking, so far still living up to its rugged purpose. Now it has some other cool features. It's been very smooth in our performance testing. It runs a Core i7 processor, 128 gigabyte solid state drive, and probably the most impressive feature is what you'll see back here. Now it has dual swappable batteries, so in the case that your battery life is dying and you happen to have an extra one on hand, you can actually snap open the back panel. If I can get it off here. And you will eventually be able to replace the battery. Now with 2 batteries, you can actually pull one out, replace it, and the second one will still be powering the device. So if you're in an emergency, you really can't afford for the computer to shut off, you can't afford to lose your data, it'll keep running for you. So that's definitely one cool feature. The only downfall we've run into with the F110 is that it does run a little bit warm, but other than that, the performance has been rock solid and it lasted very long in our battery test. So this tablet starts at $2,249. Ours is a little more expensive. It costs us $2,849, and you could equip it with Windows 7 or Windows 8 depending on the feature set that you want. And all around, it's a very solid experience. Virtual keyboard is responsive. Has a very simple app suite. There's the Getac G Manager, which they have their proprietary camera app. You can equip it with a GPS, which is really handy if you need to stamp all of your photos with the location, depending on your line of work. So it's got a handy feature set, pretty responsive, fast performance, and once again, this is the Getac F110, and for Laptop Mag, this is Mike Andronico.